when I came home and opened the door to get out of my truck, the handle just snapped right off. See? No more handle. So I just pull on it, like I always do, and it snaps right off. Anyways, okay, we got the new handle for my door. Awesome. Let's do it. Do you want to film or what?
What?
Do you want to film?
Film what? You want me to do this?
Why do you have 2 different gloves on?
So this is on, correct?
Yes.
And it's filming.
This is WD-40 somewhere.
Alright. This is the door handle we're going to place?
No, it's on the inside.
Oh, on the inside. Get out of the way.
Shut up.
Wait, that's the window opener.
Yeah, I got those 2 there.
Right
so
there.
I get the thing off.
What?
That's wrong size.
How to... What?
It's already loose.
Oh, so tighten it up?
I'm going to take it off so I can take the panel off.
That doesn't make any sense.
No, but it doesn't. What? That one too. I missed one. I guess I got a real screwdriver then.
There's a freaking nail in your ear.
Yeah, it's in both my ears. You know that?
No.
Oh, that's right. It's been a while since I've seen you. That's right.
Ah! Hit my arm.
Okay, what is that
almost
screwdriver?
dropped it.
I don't fall over. Fuck.
Why am I filming your dirty closet?
Because you can. Okay, try this again.
Whoa! Almost tripped again.
There you go.
Gotta get through here. Let's go.
And
Whoa!
there we go.
Oh, you broke it.
What's that?
You have to go buy a new car now. What? What was that?
What's all falling off the side?
Oh no! But you're in the way of this film.
Shut up.
You want to see more of the details of the car and see how broken it is. Still. Never mind. Just fell asleep for a second there. Let's just sit in the car. There we go. It's got a dirty windshield. Alright.
I'm back.
Oh, don't get in the way. Alright, there you go. Damn it, if Ben were here, he'd be cracking jokes.
He would. But he's sleeping. So.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Too much sunlight. Whoa, I'm freaking out right now.
What? Is there a bunch of lines in it?
No, just keep on going. Keep on going. This is great footage. It's like a mirror image.
They put wellsite on it.
Damn it, son. Dude, bright.
Just sit in the side or something. I don't know.
Shut up. Just keep on going. Florida.
What's that WD-40 at?
Oh,
I think it's sitting on it.
oh, there you are.
Fail spray.
Yep.
Whoa.
Well. Yeah, be sure to edit me out.
Well, you don't want to be on YouTube?
No.
Alright.
Internet's not nice. Yeah, you should say exactly what that one redhead kid, that one ginger kid said.
I'm tired of all the bullshit by fucking Southport calling me ginger and shit. Everyone calls me ginger, I'm fucking tired of it. I can't say it without being serious. I can't say it. I just can't be serious about that.
Well, you're supposed to say gingers have souls.
I just have souls. What the fuck? I have a soul. You don't know me.
I go to.
Okay, what the fuck am I doing again? Oh yeah, I'm giving some lubricant or something.
Huh.
Just like,
This is gonna be a real boring video.
You bet.
But I guess watching stuff like this is for the commentary or.
Yeah. Like the ginger jokes and whatnot.
Yeah. There's one now.
This thing was tight. Before, I don't know. What's that hand? Oops.
Whoa.
How's it going? Wait.
Oh,
Contagion.
oh shit. Huh.
Is this right? It looks like it. Yeah, it is. Okay.
Damn it. Let's go all the way around. All the way around.
Fuck. Okay, got it.
Whoa, you fixed it that fast?
Yes, not that much of
Man, it just took one trip around the truck too.
Wasn't that? It's not really long. It's not really that big of a fix. It's just that taking the thing off and putting it back on.
Ah.
So. I can get in there. There we go. Make sure it's tight. Probably should fix this one here too, but that's another story.
Who cares about that? Whoa, there's like a blue laser beam. I just saw it. Oh, there it is again. Whoa.
You okay, Agent?
Whoa, no. It's so cool. I think it's when you move away. Oh, there it is again. Slightly over on the right side.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm enjoying blue laser beams.
Okay,
Cool.
yeah.
That's some great special effects. Did you add that in there?
You bet. Every time.
Man. It's like someone's aiming at you from the roof. Oh, no one's up
It doesn't
there.
want to come out.
Not a single person is up there. Nope. Oh! I'm following it up. It disappeared. Man, that's one diligent laser beam. Okay, enough of that. Oh, shit. It's like how to fix your car door. The video.
It's like what to do when you snap off the handle on the inside of your truck.
Yeah. There you go. That's the title of your video right there.
Okay, I'm gonna unclose it. Try it.
Okay. Here's my hand. Here's a test demonstration. Wait, that was kind of redundant. Okay, here we go.
Ta-da.
Yay!
Alright, problem has been solved. Well, I mean, I forgot to put it.
Ooh.
I guess that makes sense. Let's put it right there, shall
I
we?
saw like a little net fly by. What the hell?
What was that?
Whoa, you just saw it. It was like a little black speckle. Hey, look at it. It's flying. Be free. Be free. Be free. Where'd you go? There you are. Hey. Damn you, little black speckle fly thing. Oh well.
Okay, that part's staying in. I'm gonna get that fucking fucking agent, you crazy.
Oh shit.
Okay, I guess we're done.
That was mesmerizing.